Installing an ERP is like climbing a mountain. There are several ways to go about it. Let's say you're wanting to scale Mount Everest. You know it's an ambitious undertaking, but it's really important to you. You've never done it before, so you hire a team to guide you, to provide the resources you'll need to get to the summit, and to train you in their use. Your hired team tells you they'll partner with you to get you there. They go away for ages and come back with a great plan that sounds amazing. Of course, you accept it. After all, you've never done it before, and well, they're the experts. Your plan tells you this is the shortest route and the most economical. It's also the most heroic. You'll be climbing the same route as everyone else who've hired them, the sheer North Face. What you don't yet know is that this route is the most difficult and has the most casualties. You'll be scaling Everest in one direct attempt, on your own. You'll be resting, eating and sleeping while hanging from a sheer vertical drop. It will be hard and dangerous. You'll encounter many problems, but not until you fully engage in the climb much later on. But then you're fully committed. That's when the weather changes, unexpected storms suddenly appear at the hardest part of the ascent. Definitely not the time to start fixing problems. You won't know how to properly use your equipment during the climb because your training comes at the end in one massive information dump. And your partners? Yes, they'll be there at the summit, waiting to train you, just like they promised, if you make it.
Robert is an ERP consultant and advisor specialising in NetSuite. He started OneKloudX to ensure that NetSuite was implemented correctly to meet client needs whilst remaining flexible, adaptable and agile to meet any new needs efficiently and effectively without any hassles or headaches.
He handpicked us, so OneKloudX is more than just a tech company. We actually understand business from point of sale through to manufacturing and warehousing, even supply chain, logistics and distribution. We're across most of core business. We know how to get NetSuite performing exactly the way our clients need. The OneKloudX team has worked with multiple ERP vendors across multiple industries, and our expertise extends across accounting, manufacturing, supply chain management, distribution, process change management, HR, and innovative technology designs.
Long ago, we figured out that uncertainty, struggle and frustration are not amongst your business goals. So OneKloudX is a disruptive, agile business that implements NetSuite faster and with fewer headaches. In short, we use manageable sprints involving ongoing collaboration, reassessing and adapting our plans as we go to ensure your integrated system delivers exactly what you expect.
You know there's not one universal solution to all problems. So we first undertake a discovery session with you about your needs and requirements, about your goals for your business. Your comprehensive discovery session and subsequent demonstration will take you through your entire business processes. It will show you exactly how your NetSuite configuration will work in your environment, how it will deliver value to your business by reducing your costs, increasing your revenue, increasing your efficiency, and reducing your risk. So if you're serious about consolidating your multiple standalone siloed systems into one, or wanting to transition from paper to the 21st century electronic systems and processes, if you're serious about reducing your business costs and gaining far greater efficiencies, if you're serious about knowing who your most profitable customers are and you're least about who's paying their bills on time, who isn't, about who owes you the most amount of money, if you're serious about putting relevant, accessible data in the hands of the right people, not next week or next month or next quarter, but right now, in real time, from any site, anywhere around the world, if you're serious about being empowered to make rapid, well-informed decisions right now and really want to move away from making costly, poor or delayed decisions based on hunches or gut feeling, contact OneKloudX for your comprehensive discovery session that will reveal your potential efficiencies that can be gained and the costs that can be reduced. Then watch as we demonstrate how NetSuite can be configured and installed and aligned to best practice specifically for you. We'll work in your specific environment and see how firsthand it will reduce costs, increase efficiency, increase revenue, and reduce risk in your business. Go to OneKloudX now.